Hey everybody,
Hi.
we are here on a Friday night doing a thumbs
Press up.
or thumbs down, which I can't do because I'm one hand short. But we decided to stop and get some ice cream. So this is a rare treat. We went to Dairy Queen.
Superman walk.
Yep. Superman rocks. Look, you've got your Superman shirt on.
Yep.
Cool. So we decided to stop and get a Blizzard. Matt, what flavor did you get?
Cheesecake.
Dipped strawberry cheesecake.
Yes.
And mine is a fluffernutter. So anyone on the East Coast knows what fluffernutter is. Anyone who doesn't know what fluffernutter is, it is peanut butter and marshmallow. So I decided to live on the edge here. So let's try it. Ready, Matt? Go. Take a bite.
Mom.
Let's taste it.
Good.
Good? Thumbs down? You turned it to a thumbs up. Yay. Okay. Mine is definitely a thumbs up, but I'll tell you right now, this is probably going to take me about a week to eat because this is definitely a sugar rush. Matt, you want to taste mine?
Oh, hey, my
Here.
mom.
I'll put it right here. Take a taste. Yay. Be
Sorry.
careful. And let me taste yours.
Very good.
As Jeff Dunham would say, or what's his name, Buddy?
Yes.
Bubba? Pretty good.
Very good.
It's a thumbs up for us. You go to Dairy Queen, try one of their Blizzards. Now we gotta go. Our ice cream's melting. Bye. Peace out.
Peace out.